Good morning, class. Today we are going to continue with drainage system, and we'll start with Himalayan rivers, starting with Indus River system. Taking this as the head of India, this river, the main river, this will be Indus River. It starts here. It starts at Bokharchu. This will be Bokharchu. Flowing, it has left bank and right bank. Its right bank tributaries would be Shyok. It starts at Siachen. We then have Gilgit. On the left bank, we have tributaries like Suru and Zaskar. We have to remember one thing. Indus enters Pakistan here. This is Chilas, Dardistan region. So Indus enters Pakistan at Chilas, Dardistan region. Right? This river flowing here, this will be Satluj. Satluj originates here. This is Raka Lake. Right? Satluj enters through Shipkila Pass. This is your Shipkila Pass. Then we have here Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Bias joins here. Bias, right? The point where these rivers meet, Satluj, is known as Panch Node. And the point where Satluj meets Indus is known as Mithankot. Right? So, just a recap, this will be our Indus River. It starts here at Bokharchu near Mansarovar Lake. It flows on the right bank, it flows through Ladakh. This is Ladakh area. On the right bank tributary, we have Shyok and Gilgit. Shyok starts at Siachen. On its left bank tributaries, we have Zaskar and Suru. Indus enters Pakistan at Chilas and Dardistan region. Here we have Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi. They meet Satluj at Spanjnot, and Satluj starts at Raka Lake. It enters and then it enters Pakistan and meets Indus at Mithankot. Now, some points to remember here are coming into the Indus River system. As I've already told you, the Indus River system, it starts here at Bokharchu in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake, right? India got in the name India from Indus. The tributaries are Shyok, Gilgit, Zaskar. It flows through Ladakh, enters Pakistan and drains into Arabian Sea. We can see here. Now coming to Jhelum. Jhelum starts at Verinek in Kashmir Valley. At Verinek, it flows northwards into the Vular Lake, right? We then have the Chenab River. Chenab originates at Baralacha Pass. in Zaskar Range, right? Chenab forms two small streams. They are known as Chandra and Bhaga. Chenab originates at Baralacha Pass and it forms two small streams known as Chandra and Bhaga. The two small streams are in together known as Chandra Bhaga and it flows northwest to the Pangi Valley. Together, the streams of Chenab are known as Chandrabhaga and it flows through the Pangi Valley. Also, Chenab is the largest tributary. Remember, it's not the longest. The longest will be Satluj. Chenab is the largest tributary. You can just star mark it here. Chenab is the largest tributary of Indus. We now come to Ravi. Ravi rises in the west in Rohtang Pass of Himachal Pradesh. Ravi originates at Rohtang Pass of Himachal Pradesh. Now coming to Bias. Bias flows through Himachal and Punjab and it starts from Bias Kund, right? Bias, which is near Rohtang Pass. Again, Ravi and Bias both starts near Rohtang Pass. Ravi plus Bias, Rohtang Pass. You've got to remember this. So it originates from Bias Kund near Rohtang Pass. Now, Bias River is also known as Granary of India. Why? Because it is crucial for irrigation, which supports agriculture of Punjab. Punjab, known as Granary of India, is supported by the Bias River. Then it is popular for tourists, especially in Manali, for rafting and fishing. Another important point here is the Pong Dam is located at Bias. Pong Dam, Star Market. So the Pong Dam is important because of its hydroelectric power. Coming to Satluj, Satluj is the longest tributary of Indus. It is also one of the major. It is approximately 1450 kilometers long. Satluj, this is important. Satluj, where does it originate? And it is the longest, right? Satluj River originates from Lake Rakshatal in Tibet near Mount Kailash. So Satluj originates here at Lake Rakshatal in Tibet near Mount Kailash. River is approximately 1450 kilometers long. It is a major tributary of Indus River and it is also the longest tributary of Indus. The largest was Chenab. The longest is Satluj. That's something to remember. Here we can see again that's a full revision of the Indus drainage system. Thus, starting from Indus River, it starts near Bokharchu in Tibet. Then we have Jhelum. Jhelum starts at very next spring near Kashmir Valley. After that, we have Ravi. It starts at Rotang Pass, Kullu Hills, Bias, again Bias Kul, again Rotang Pass. Both are at Rotang Pass. We have to got to remember this. Then we have Satluj. Satluj starts at Rakshastal Lake in Tibet. And at last, we have Chenab. Chenab starts near Baralacha Pass, Zaskar Range. Right? Now the length. Indus has a total length of approximately 3,180 kilometers. Jhelum has a total length of 724 kilometers. Ravi has a total length of 720 kilometers. Bias has an approx length of 470 kilometers. Satluj has a length of 1450 kilometers. It is also the longest tributary, right? Got to remember this. It is the longest tributary. After that, we have Chenab. It is 960 kilometers long. Now coming to the discharge. Indus has 6,600 to 7,100 meter per cube second. Coming to the major tributaries, we have of Indus, we have Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Bias. Of Jhelum River, we have Chandra and Bhaga. Ravi, there is none. Beas, there is none. Satluj, we have Bias and Chenab. Jhelum, Ravi, and Satluj. The regions drained are of Indus, Tibet, and India. Jhelum, Kashmir Valley, and Pakistan. Ravi, we have Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Pakistan. Bias, we have Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Satluj, we have Tibet, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Pakistan. And Chenab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, and Pakistan. Right? Now we will learn where they discharge into or the confluence points. So Indus, it's in Arabian Sea near Karachi. Jhelum joins Chenab at Trimu. Ravi joins Chenab near Sarai Sidhu. Beas joins Satluj near Harike, Punjab. Satluj joins Chenab at Panchnad, and Chenab meets Satluj at Panchnab. Right? So this is a total revision of the Indus drainage system. We shall now learn about the Ganga river system or the Ganga drainage system. Right? So this will be our Alakananda river. Alakananda. Right? This will be our Mandakini river, also known as Kali Ganga. Right? This will be our Bhagirathi river. Done. So Alakananda river, it starts here at Badrinath. Right? Mandakini, it starts here. This is at Kedarnath. And Bhagirathi, it starts at Gaumukh, in Gaumukh at Gangotri Glacier. Right? Bhagirathi starts here at Gaumukh and Gangotri Glacier. Done. So the tributaries of Alakananda are, this will be Dholi Ganga, this will be Nandakini, and this will be Pindar. Now, the convergence points are known as Vishnu Prayag, Nand Prayag, and Karn Prayag. Now, the place where Mandakini and Alakananda river meets, this is known as this point. This point is known as your Rudraprayag. Rudraprayag. Then the place where Mandakini, Alakananda, and Bhagirathi meets. This place is known as Devprayag. And from here, the river Ganga originates. So just a recap, this is a Alakananda river. It starts at Badrinath. The tributaries of Alakananda river are Dholi Ganga, Nandakini, and Pindar. Then we have Mandakini river. It starts at Kedarnath. It's also known as Kali Ganga. Then we have a Bhagirathi river. It starts at Gaumukh in Gangotri Glacier. The place where Dholi Ganga meets Alakananda is known as Vishnu Prayag. Where Nandakini meets Alakananda is known as Nand Prayag. And the place where Pindar meets Alakananda is known as Karn Prayag. And the place where Mandakini meets Alakananda is known as your Rudra Prayag. Devprayag is the place where the river Mandakini, Alakananda, and Bhagirathi meets. From Devprayag, the river Ganga is born. So if we just go through here, the Ganga River basin, it is one of the most im- important river in India. It starts at Gangotri Glacier near Gaumukh in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand. Rises in Gangotri Glacier near Gaumukh in Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand. Right? Its length is 2,525 kilometers. It covers total distance of 8.6 lakh square kilometers. The head streams are found in the upper reaches of a river basin. The course of the Ganga, it starts as Bhagirathi at Gangotri and meets Alakananda at Devprayag and forms the Ganga. As I said before, it starts as Bhagirathi and from Devprayag it is known as Ganga river system. Let us revise. Tributary is Dholi Ganga, source is Niti at meets at Vishnuprayag. Nandakini starts at Nanda Devi Glacier, meets at Nandaprayag. Pindar starts at Pindari Glaciers, meets at Karnaprayag. Mandakini starts at Chorabari Glacier in Kedarnath, meets at Rudraprayag. Bhagirathi meets Gangotri Glacier, Uttarkashi, meets at Devprayag. We will now learn about Yamuna and Ganga system, Ganga and its tributaries. We will now learn the tributaries of Ganga. The left bank tributaries of Ganga include Ramganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Mahanadi. In the right bank, we have two, that's Yamuna and Son. So we can see here in this image, this is the main Ganga river. The tributaries are Ramganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, and Mahanadi. Right? And the right bank tributaries include the Yamuna and the Sun. Done. Now, where does the river Ramganga start? It starts at Garhwal Hills and Uttarakhand. It meets Ganga near Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh. Right? Then we have Gomati. Gomati starts at Gomattal in Uttar Pradesh and joins Ganga near Saidpur in Uttar Pradesh. Ramganga starts at Garhwal Hills in Uttarakhand and Gomati starts at Gomati Tal at Uttar Pradesh. Coming to Ghagra and Kali. Ghagra river starts so the river Ghagra. It starts at Makchachung Glacier near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, right? It joins the Ganga at Chapur in Bihar. So Ghagra starts at Makchachung Glacier near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet and joins Ganga near Chapra in Bihar. We now have Kosi. So Kosi forms from Sapta, right? It starts at north of Mount Everest in Tibet. Kosi starts at north of Mount Everest in Tibet. Now this is a total revision. We have Ramganga. Ramganga starts at Garhwal Hills in Uttarakhand. Length is 526 kilometers and joins Ganga near Kannauj, right? Then we have Gomati. Gomati starts at Gomattal, Uttar Pradesh. Length 900 kilometers, joins Ganga near Saidpur. Then we have Ghagra. Ghagra starts at Mapchachung Glacier, Tibet. Total distance is 1080 kilometers, joins Ganga at Chapra. Then we have Gandak, starts at Nepal Himalayas. Distance is 630 kilometers, joins Ganga at Sonpur near Patna. Right? Then we have Kali. Kali starts at Kalapani Springs, Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. Full distance is 252 kilometers, joins Ghagra River at Uttar Pradesh. Done. Then we have Kosi. Kosi starts north of Mount Everest in Tibet. The total distance is 729 kilometers, joins Ganga at Kursela, Bihar. And last we have Mahanadi. Mahanadi starts at Darjeeling Hills in West Bengal. Total length is 360 kilometers, joins Ganga in West Bengal. Right? This is the total revision of the Ganga and its tributaries. We now come to the Brahmaputra river basin. So, the Brahmaputra starts at Chemayungdang Glacier, Kailas Range near Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. There it is known as Sangpo. T-S-A-N-G-P-O. So this is the Ganga. This is Brahmaputra. It's known as Sangpo in Tibet. Once it enters northeast, it is known as Dihang, and then it is comes into Assam, known as the Brahmaputra. In Tibet, it is known as Sangpo, and it starts here at Chamayungdang Glacier near Kailash Range. Its initial name is Sangpo. In Tibet, it means the purifier. The major tributary of Sangpo River is Rango Sangpo. It might also be said as Raga Sangpo. It's the same river, either Rango Sangpo or Raga Sangpo. It emerges from the Himalayas as Siang or Dihang. It enters India through west of Kodia town in Arunachal Pradesh. Its left bank tributaries are Dibang and Lohit are its left bank tributaries. Right bank tributaries include Supansri, Kameng, Manas, and Sankosh. Right? Left bank is Dibang, right bank is Subansiri, Kameng, Manas, and Sankosh. Journey through Assam Valley received numerous tributaries. Major ones are Buri Dihing and Dhansiri. Entry into Bangladesh. It enters near Dhubri. And in Bangladesh, the river Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna. Final confluence. It finally merges with Padma River, then flows into the Bay of Bengal. Thus, the Ganga is known as Padma in Bangladesh. It starts as Sangpo River at Tibet. There, its major tributary is Raga Sangpo or Rango Sangpo, and the river Sangpo starts at Chemyungdong Glacier near Mansarovar Lake. Now, coming to the last part, we will now study the peninsular river system. The important things asked here are its starting point, its tributaries. So, Mahanadi River. It starts near Siwa district, Chhattisgarh, right? Godavari starts in Nasik district, Maharashtra. Krishna River starts at Mahabaleshwar, Sahyadri, Maharashtra. This is a very important Sahyadri. It's been asked many times. It's also a PYQ. Kaveri starts at Brahmagiri Hills, Karnataka. Narmada River starts at Amarkantak Plateau, Madhya Pradesh. Tapi starts at Betul, Madhya Pradesh. Luni starts near Pushkar in Rajasthan. Thus, the origin is very important. Coming again, Mahanadi starts near Sihawa, Raipur district, Chhattisgarh. Godavari, Nasik district, Maharashtra. Krishna, Mahabaleshwar, Sahyadri in Maharashtra. Kaveri is Brahmanagiri, Karnataka. Narmada is Amarkantak Plateau, Madhya Pradesh. Tapi is Betul, Madhya Pradesh. And Luni is in Pushkar, Rajasthan. Right? Now the tributaries. Tributaries of Mahanadi include Seonat, Jong, and Hasdeo. Godavari to Penganga, Indravati. Krishna is Koina, Tungabhadra, Bhima. Kaveri is Kabini, Bhavani, Amravati. Narmada is Hiran and San. Tapi is Purna, Luni is Ghagar and Saraswati. Thus, the tributaries of Mahanadi are Seonat, Jong, Hasdeo. Godavari includes Penganga, Indravati. Krishna is Koina, Tungabhadra, Bhima. Kaveri is Kabini, Bhavani, Amravati. Narmada is Hiran and San. Tapi is Purna and Luni is Ghagar, Saraswati.